Some users have reported in forums that they cannot upgrade Windows 11 to the 22H2 version. If you're experiencing this kind of error, this is a video you can watch on how you can fix the problem. So first in the list, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter by opening Settings, navigate to System, go to Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, select Run for the Windows Update Troubleshooter, wait for the troubleshooter to detect issues, and display an outcome. Now it will usually automatically apply fixes for detected issues. Additionally, it is recommended that users unplug non-essential hardware from the PC before attempting to upgrade to a new Windows 11 version. Now doing so will ensure that there are not any non-essential hardware devices that can potentially interrupt or conflict with the upgrade process. Lastly, run a system file and deployment image scan. To do that, just open Command Prompt with admin rights. Start by inputting this command, press Enter, then run the SFC tool by typing the following, then press Enter. Now you have to wait for the SFC scan to show an outcome message in the command prompt. But basically, that's how to fix the Windows 11 version 22H2 update not installing in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.